Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the MSD LS Series 6014 carburetor conversion. If you haven't done so yet, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. And let's get started. Alright, before we get started, I want to go ahead and show you what we're working with. I got a Holley 750 double pump carburetor with the Holley LS carburetor conversion intake manifold. We got the MSD LS series ignition controller. It's the 6014 model. First things first, what we're gonna do is I'm running a 5.3, so we need to make sure that this here is set on truck. I'm gonna go ahead and get the intake manifold mounted on the engine. I guess let's get to it. First thing you're going to do is install the O-rings into the intake manifold. Make sure that they're nice and pressed in and clean of all dirt, grime, oil. And then we're going to go over here and make sure that the cylinder head mounting surface for the intake is nice and clean. Now that I got the intake surface nice and clean and wiped down of all dirt and grime, I'm going to go ahead and install the intake. Now that that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and show you how simple it is to install the MSD 6014 ignition control box. First, I'm going to go ahead and go over the harness with you. This small plug here on the MSD box, this here goes to the provided crank sensor wiring. It comes with the option to run both different kinds of crank sensors, the 24 or 48 tooth reluctor wheel. It's very simple. You got your positive and ground. You go over here, you got your coil wires, which each have their own ground. Easy way to tell which one's which is one has a coolant temp sensor on it. So this would be your driver side plug, this would be your passenger side plug. So you got your passenger side plug, your driver side plug, two grounds here, a positive, a negative, and your crank sensor wire. It's that simple. We'll go ahead and get that hooked up. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. We got our MSD box mounted up. We got our crankshaft position sensor wire. Ran down to the crankshaft position sensor. We got our passenger side coil wire and ground hooked up. We got our driver side coil wire and ground hooked up. We got our positive key on ignition source hooked up. Your ground. And that's it. It's a very simple install. It'll take you about 15 minutes. Please continue to watch, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned in for our next video. And we're going to be trying to tune this thing with the MSD setup. Thanks for watching, guys.